This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello peeps, welcome to a really disgusting day in London. And about 2 weeks ago I made a very similar video where I was out in pretty awful weather and I wasn't wearing a coat. But now I am. So today is the only day this week that I've been able to get outside and shoot, and I was looking at the weather coming up to this day and I thought I'm just gonna have to embrace it. It could have been easy for me to stay inside, play on my Xbox, I don't know, but I just thought I don't want to do that. I want to go outside and use my camera, and the fact that it is pretty awful today, I think there's a storm all weekend in the UK, I thought that might be kind of interesting. I don't know. I'm meeting up with a few friends for lunch and dinner or whatever, but so I'm in town today with the Elmer at the 28. No shock there really. And I also have the Fujifilm X100V in my bag. If the weather is really bad and I don't want to get this drenched, then I'll pull out the Fuji, but my hands are already freezing cold. I'm soaking wet already and I've been out about 5 minutes. So let's see what happens, shall we? My train normally arrives at Liverpool Street Station, and then I normally wander around like the City of London area, basically the Royal Exchange where Bank of England is. I find it a nice place to at least just warm up. There was no one around there. There was one guy with an umbrella and a blue background that I missed focus on, so hardly anything. And I'm just gonna head straight into Central, I think, go to the West End, where there's probably a lot more people. People should be out Christmas shopping. Given the disgusting weather, there should still be a lot of people out. So hopefully there's one or two things to photograph. And okay, this is going to be challenging. About 2 weekends ago when I was out and the weather was awful, it was still somewhat interesting, but I wonder if I'm going to have the same look today or not. We will see. Something I'm thinking about is that I don't want to be too reliant on the rain being the story. So a group of people sheltering themselves or umbrellas breaking, or that is the main thing that's happening right now, and I'm seeing a lot of people jumping around avoiding the rain kind of thing. But is that kind of like one-dimensional? Is that too obvious? Maybe. But I think we'll start with that. We'll start with those type of photographs, and then hopefully, oh, Santa's hat, that's quite cool. And then yeah, hopefully as the day progresses I see more than just people scared of the rain. maybe I am overthinking it and that is just the thing to do today. There's an umbrella on the floor there. Let's try and manual focus while trying to vlog. Set this to 3 meters. Yeah, perfect.
I'd just like to take a moment to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Many of you will know I've been using Squarespace for a very long time to host all of my photography, sell products, write blogs, and even a weekly newsletter. And I am continually impressed with the updates and features that Squarespace brings to the table. Whether you're choosing one of the many beautiful templates or using AI to give you a helping hand, Squarespace can do all of the heavy lifting so you can have a website up in literally minutes. Squarespace really has been my all-in-one place for running my online business, and I cannot recommend them enough. So why not at least start a free trial and see what you think? After that, when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/MikeJudley to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
I am now in Soho, and I just had to get myself off of Oxford Street because it was heaving. Despite the weather, people are out in full force doing their Christmas shopping, which does make sense. I just watched someone absolutely stack it as well. They were running across the street and they just slipped and tripped on the curb or whatever. Not good. Cheers, see you later.
Cheers guys, thank you.
Ming in. What film?
Try 400, push to 1600.
I only get excited with film when it's a glorious day outside and it's Portra 400.
Well, I'm not like a big black and white shooter, but I just ordered like a tank to develop myself.
Oh yeah, nice, yeah. Good luck.
Yeah.
Hey man. Enjoying the weather?
Yeah.
I love this.
That's my favorite. This one will be like a double spread.
This looks digital.
It is.
Oh, because this photo's quiet. I like the way it sounds. It's very like single, isn't it?
Do you know what I mean? Like, I would go with this one and then like actually find something, because it's almost a similar frame, right? I mean, because it's the same.
Yeah, but like it introduces well the next to pairing about like smoking.
But then sometimes is it about the pairing or is it about having a strong image? You know, I think there probably is another stronger image from the other ones that you've left out that maybe it doesn't work in this sequence, but like it kind of could also then be on this page.
The content right here.
Yeah. Sick. I'll be there. Yeah, trust me.
Okay. You,
Tom, not working again.
Okay, little update for you. It is maybe 3:30 in the afternoon, which means it's gonna get really dark imminently. Although I don't think I've taken any interesting photographs, I have quite enjoyed being outside. There is so much going on. The streets are so busy. Christmas shopping, just Christmas activities in general. There's so many people and the energy is quite good, which is nice to see. There's just a lot of things happening, but I don't think I've captured anything worth looking at, to be honest with you. But I feel like I've been really engaged and focused. I just haven't been on form, maybe. There's lots to look at, but I haven't captured anything. I think sometimes it's just like that. Some days are really slow and you don't get anything, and some days are hectic and lots seems to happen. But although there seems to be lots happening, I just haven't caught anything on camera that's worth looking at for more than a few seconds. So, I don't know. Pretty poor from my part on the photography today, but really active day in the city. So, yeah.